This is the Tinyland Montessori wooden educational toys. This is what it looks like when you open the box. It comes with 4 toys and it is supposed to be for children age 6 through 12 months. This little packet here is a parent guide that has information about each toy. So this one is really cool. It's a little box. It comes with 2 balls and you put the ball inside the box. This one's a little rattle and it's really cool because it has tiny little beads inside and then that little middle part moves. And then these are cute cards. The cards have an image in the front and it has texture that you can feel, and then the back side has different pictures with simple words and not in a specific category. The cards are really nice and thick material. It's more like bookboard. The other toy that's in here is a wooden rattle, which is really nice and smooth. There isn't any parts that would catch on to stuff. And then there's 2 different balls. One is red and one is green. And it's supposed to go into this little drawer. And it's supposed to help with object permanence. Here's my little baby enjoying the rattle. And she likes biting on the rattle too. But she's very impressed with the rattle and all of the different colors that's inside. She is 2 months old, and I like that she likes the sound and she's able to see the movement. She is able to hold the rattle and she likes to bite on it sometimes too.